Hello Year 8s. So here's the next bit of this week's work, which is really just finishing off what we've done. I've left it incomplete, there's no point in showing you the whole thing. I wanted to show you all of the details as we go across. So coming from right to left, we can see the original component parts, how we drew it out, and then looking at the internal part of the rosette, how we developed this using reds and browns and are moving out. And I've started to then put in other colours that I mean, there's no magic rule here, but I think these colours all work together. Browns, purples, reds, they all have a nice warmth and a nice feeling together. They don't jar. You might have done something different. You might have done colours that really clash. It doesn't bother me as long as you've thought it out and there's a good reason to do it. So I've got this rather complex geometric design that I couldn't have imagined that I would do right at the beginning of term. This is what I hope you've learned. How we can create all these different types of symmetry and we can keep on exploding them out and use repetition in order to have a really interesting abstract design. And I've put down here the colour palette that I've used, a little bit of each paint, just note it down. I've written my colour plate, and then I've written down the keywords that I've kept using through this little mini scheme of work about abstract Islamic design, and I want you to do the same. Then write down there geometry, compass, symmetry, tones, hues, contrasting colour, and you might want to put over here Islam, the art of geometry in Islam, and so on and so forth, to show me that you understand what we've done and how we've arrived at this destination. Well, I hope that all makes sense. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you have a nice week, because just coming up is the May Whitsuntide, and a chance to ease off of the schoolwork and enjoy the sunshine and the blue sky. Okay, take care everybody.